Morning, guys. Tonight involves another episode involving the evolutionary superior Tuffle. Of course, I found out more about his race. Turns out the Tuffles were a technological alien race that they had superior technology and well, I don't know much more about them. Well, I feel like I do. As well, these guys were highly intelligent and a bit superior. But unfortunately, these aliens went extinct after planet Sadala was destroyed in a civil war. After its decimation, they conquered their home world, their home planet, also known as Plant, and they called it Planet Vegeta. I can't believe they do something like that. What would happen if one of the main characters from the Dragon Ball series, what would happen if this guy took over Trunks and transformed him into what he is now? Tonight we're gonna, let's find out. Tonight we're gonna draw what Baby and Trunks look like fused. And trust me, I've only seen this. I've noticed this back in 2021, and well, I recognize it as a very popular and very interesting feature to draw on my series. Now let's get started. There's his fist. You remember where all the times that this Tuffle had merged with Trunks? If it stayed for that long, this guy would have ended up transforming into the freak that we see tonight. So far, we've seen 3 of them so far fused with Tuffle. We got Janimba, Hachiak, and now Trunks. Here are the wings on his back. Don't know why they're here, but you get the idea. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I never got to reveal to you on Planet Sadala from Universe 6. On that universe, after that small war, the Tupples and the Saiyans coexisted peacefully. That should have gone it should have gone that way, not the war. And finished. That's how you draw the fusion of Trunks and Baby. If you ask me, this thing looks like an ultimate fusion. Well, it beats the first fusion that we saw. Yeah, you know, one of the main characters. You saw him in Dragon Ball FighterZ. Anyhow, better head down. I have plans for the rest of the week. And have a nice day. Stegosaurus, see you later. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and check out the Super Dragon Ball Heroes playlist. Stegosaurus, see you later. Oh yeah. And let me know which Dragon Ball character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.